Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Trader Network. Today we're going to be creating a strong node from start to finish. If you do not have a KuCoin account, you're going to need one of those. So we're going to start out on KuCoin. We can buy Strong right on KuCoin and transfer it straight to MetaMask and then right to Strong Block. So let's get started. Now we're going to have two tabs open. One is going to be KuCoin and the other one is going to be etherscan.io/gas tracker. This one's really important because we want to know what the gas fees are on the Ethereum network. They can be really high. Little subtle hint, if you do it late at night, you're going to pay far less. So this was done around 11 p.m. Eastern. As you can see, the GUI is around 80. So we're going to pay far less than during, say, the middle of the day Eastern time when the GUI can be up to 350 and you're going to pay 4 or 5 times more than what you could have paid. Also, I'll be making a future video that has an add-on for Chrome which shows the gas fees right in your toolbar. So if you do a lot of NFT trading or do a lot of transactions on the Ethereum network, that makes it really helpful to know what your current gas fees will be at all times. So look out for that video coming soon. Okay, so now that we've checked and made sure that the gas fees are low, we're going to go back to KuCoin, click on Assets, and go to our trading account. Now I've already purchased 10 Strong, so that is right there in our trading account. See, we paid $4,700 for that. We need to transfer that to our main account in order to withdraw it. So we're going to hit the transfer and transfer 10 and confirm. Then we're going to go back over to withdraw, and we need to put some Ethereum in our MetaMask account. So we want to make sure that we always have plenty of ETH in there to cover transaction fees. So I'm going to copy my wallet address in, make sure we're on the ERC20 network, and I'm going to put in 0.26 ETH. That should cover me for fees for quite a while. So we're going to confirm that. Right now our GUI is low, 67. So it's a good time. We hit confirm and confirm again to confirm the withdrawal. I have a few security verifications in here, so I won't bore you with those. We'll go ahead and skip ahead. It's always a good idea to have the two-factor authentication set up on your accounts. This keeps it from being able to be hacked, much more secure in that way. It's just a good idea overall. So I keep two-factor authentication on all of my exchange accounts, just in case. Okay, so that withdrawal was successful. We now have some ETH in our MetaMask account. So we're going to go back to withdraw, and this time we're going to withdraw our 10 Strong to MetaMask. So same thing, we're going to put in our MetaMask wallet address, and we want to confirm that that's on the ERC20 network, and we're going to click on Max for Strong, which gives us 10.05, and we're going to go ahead and confirm that. And then confirm the withdrawal again. Again, security verifications. This one's a lot shorter since I've already put in my authenticator code. And those are successful. So now we can go up to our MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, we've got the ETH in there that we put in. I like to expand the view so that it's a little easier to see. Then we're going to go to our Assets tab, and our Strong has popped in. That probably took 30 seconds. I did edit a little bit of that out, but it was very quick. Okay, so now we're going to open up a new tab, and we're going to go to Strong Block. Make sure you're always going to the correct website. So strongblock.com will take you right there. Make sure you type that in correctly. Okay, we're going to click on Create Your Node Now. That takes us to the node application. Our wallet is already connected. If you did need to connect your wallet, you can go ahead and do that now. And you notice that we have 0.26 ETH and 10 Strong available. So now we're going to click on Create Your Node, and we're going to create a Polygon node. We're going to type in the node name CTN1 and the node description Crypto Trader Network. Again, you can put anything that you want in the description or the node name. You can have fun with it. I figure we'd just start out this way, and then that way when I do update videos, you know what nodes we have. I'm also putting the date in there so that we know when the node was created and we can track our financials. So we're going to agree to the terms by clicking on the checkbox there on the left, and then we need to approve strong. Okay, so we're going to confirm that transaction in MetaMask. It's only costing us $12. Going to wait for that to approve. This does take about 20 seconds. And once that contract is approved, we can now create our Polygon node. So we click on the Create Polygon Node button, and here's where our gas fees come in. So right now we're at 61 Gwei, as you can see on the gas tracker up there. So it's a really good time to go ahead and confirm this transaction. It's only going to cost us $64. And we hit confirm. And there we go. We've created a strong node. And we'll click on refresh. And our node is there. So we have our first Polygon node on strong. And we're making about $1,300 a month by my calculations. Right now strong's about $450 to $470 per token. So that should put us right around $1,300 a month. Just a couple of months ago, strong was $800-900 a token, so that could double. Or it could go down. You never know. Hopefully that's just one of many strong nodes created on the channel. They are a fully doxed team, and I'm bullish on this project. I think it's going to do great, and I will be compounding my strong into more nodes. Again, thank you for joining, and if you want to see updates, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe button. We will be doing portfolio updates weekly to let you know how our passive incomes are doing with these nodes and DeFi projects that we'll be putting on the channel. Thanks again for joining, and have a great day.